Hi Sarah, welcome to SnapMath. Thank you for sending in your calculus question tonight. So we're trying to take the second derivative of this function right here. And we can't just take the derivative of this function without using a chain rule. So we're going to use a chain rule. So y prime is going to equal, so to use the chain rule, you take the derivative of the outside function, which is this. We'll say that the inside is just x right now. So it's going to be x to the 2/3. What's the derivative of that? Well, it's going to be 2/3. Sorry, excuse me. And then it's to the negative that, or the negative 1/3. And the insides are going to stay the same as this top. So that's the first part. And then you're going to multiply that by the derivative of the inside function, which is x to the 3rd plus 1. And the derivative of that is 3x squared. So if you do a little simplifying, that's going to equal 2x squared, x to the 3rd plus 1 to the negative 1/3. Okay, now we're going to take the second derivative again. Except we're going to have to use the product rule and the chain rule. So from here, using the product rule, it's going to be the derivative of the first times the second function plus the derivative of the second times the first. So the derivative of the first is going to be, I'm sorry, this is, yeah, it's 2. So it's going to be 4x times x to the 3rd plus 1 to the negative 3rd, and then plus, this is where we're going to use a chain rule on this one again. So it's going to be 2x, the first, times the derivative of the second, and we're using the chain rule again. So the chain rule will bring down the negative 1/3. Inside stays the same, and this is going to be negative 4/3, and then we also multiply that by the derivative of the inside, which is also 3 to the x squared. So if we simplify this, y prime, or the second derivative is going to be 4x. Here we go. Plus, and this cancels out with that. And then it's just negative 1, or it'll be, I'm sorry, this actually goes to a negative. And then it's going to be 2x to the 4th. And that's your answer. All right, Sarah, thank you for sending in your calculus question tonight, and we look forward to answering your questions in the future. Have a good night.